So hello guys, I hope all of you are doing fine. So from this series onwards, we are starting a course on reinforcement learning. So the idea of this course is to provide the in-depth technical knowledge of the RL algorithms. So we will go over the basic RL theories, theory which is required to build the various algorithms we have today, and that's how we will follow the course. So I will be following the Sutton and Bartow books for this course, which is a fantastic book for reinforcement learning, written by Rich Sutton. So I will be following the second edition of that. If you are interested in reading more about it, you can just go online and find the PDF. It is freely available, and have a look. So before jumping into the reinforcement learning, first of all, let's try to understand what is learning. So how do we humans and animal learn? So the way we humans and animals learn is by interacting with our surroundings or our environment, which is also called as the natural way of learning. If you look at an infant or a newborn, he or she does not have any information about his surroundings or the environment. So the way the infant acquires his knowledge is it interacts with the environment, it collects the experiences, and it learns from that. There is no explicit teacher available for that. So, for example, if an infant touches a hot cup of coffee, the sensory motor in the system, which will trigger a feedback, letting the infant know by causing the pain and helping him to understand that this particular action is not what he or she should do in this particular situation. So, throughout our lives, we produce this kind of wealth of information by interacting with the environment and using this environment, this collected experiences, we learn from them. For example, while we are driving a car, we take decision based upon the current situation we have in front of ourselves. So while taking some those decisions, we keep in mind how the environment might behave. So learning from interaction with the environment is the hallmark of the intelligence. So in this series, we will look at the computational approach to learn from the experiences. The computational approach that will be focusing on in this series is reinforcement learning, which focuses on the goal-directed learning.